Welcome to the Blockly Coding Adventure. In this lesson, we're going to help our little friend navigate through different paths using code blocks. Along the way, we'll learn how to move, turn, and even make decisions using simple programming concepts. We'll start with the basics, like moving forward, and then build up to using powerful tools like repeat blocks and if-else statements to make our code smarter and more efficient. Think of this like solving a maze. Each activity will challenge you to think logically, plan ahead, and experiment with different solutions. Don't worry if you make a mistake. That's how we learn. Ready to begin? So, we need to move our friend here to the checkpoint. We'll use code blocks to do that. You can drag them into the staging area and even snap them together. Now, let's run our program. Our friend moved forward once, but that's not enough. Let's get a second block and try again. Nice. Let's go to the second activity. Now we have some turns on our path. We'll need to turn left and right to reach our destination. Think of it like riding a bicycle. We pedal to move forward, and we steer to change direction. But changing direction doesn't mean moving forward. So in this example, we'll move forward, turn left, move forward again, turn right, and continue moving forward until we reach the end. Activity 3. A straight path. This should be easy. But wait, we can only use 2 blocks, and we need more. So let's introduce a repeat block. Repeat blocks help us perform repetitive tasks, like moving forward multiple times. Let's try it. Drag the move forward block inside the repeat block. This will repeat the move until we reach our destination. Nice. Activity 4. Ready? A zigzag path. This is a perfect example of why we need the repeat block. We need to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, and repeat that pattern until we reach the destination. So let's build that with a repeat block. Nice. Activity 5. In this case, we first move forward twice, then turn left. Once we've turned, we move forward again until we arrive. Let's run the program. Nice. Activity 6. Okay, let's pause for a moment. What's this? This is an important new code block. The if block. It allows us to ask a question and do something only if the answer is true. For example, if there's a path to the left, then we decide what to do. In our case, we need to move forward and keep checking if there's a path to the left. If so, turn left. We'll simplify this with a repeat block. Inside it, we'll put the move forward block, then the if block, and inside that, the turn left block. Let's run it. We keep checking if there's a path to the left. Nice. Activity 7 looks interesting, but it's actually very similar to the last activity. The only difference is that now we'll keep turning to the right. Also notice that the default question on the block has changed. This time, it checks if there's a path ahead. If there is, we move forward. But what if there's no path ahead? We can use another if block to ask, is there a path to the right? If yes, then turn right. Wrap everything in a repeat block and run it. Keep asking those questions until we reach the destination. Nice. Activity 8. Now, we need to consider both left and right directions. Grab a repeat block. Inside it, ask if there is a path ahead. If yes, move forward. Ask if there's a path to the left. If yes, turn left. Ask if there's a path to the right. If yes, turn right. Looks good. Let's run it. Keep checking all directions until we arrive. Nice. This block is perfect for handling yes-no situations. We can ask, is there a path ahead? If yes, move forward. If no, turn left, for example. What's important is that the first question always takes priority. So even if there's a path to the left, if there's a path ahead, the program will move forward. To solve this, use a repeat block. Inside it, place an if-else block. Ask, is there a path ahead? If yes, move forward. Otherwise, turn left. You could also add another if block before the if-else to reinforce the priority, but it's not necessary. Even with just the if-else, the result will be the same. Nice. Now, for the final activity, the most difficult one yet. But don't worry. We've got this. Let's look at the problem. The obvious path seems simple, but it leads to the wrong outcome. Instead, we'll take a longer but correct route. To do this, we'll learn about nested if blocks, putting one inside another. Here's how we do it. Start with a repeat block. Inside it, place an if-else block. Ask, is there a path ahead? If yes, move forward. Then ask, is there a path to the left? If yes, turn left. If the path ahead is blocked, turn right. Now, let's run it. So far, so good. See how we move forward first, then check for a path on the left? That's how we make the final turn. This shows how the order of instructions matters in coding. Great job.